Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy gift vouchers on Traveloka. So first you tap on gift voucher and then you choose a gift for every occasion. So you can choose the occasion. So for example, birthday, just tap on birthday and then now you can decide to see more fun designs. So now you choose the gift voucher design and then you can choose email to send it with ease or print to give it in person. And then so now you select the gift voucher design and then just tap on the design and then choose any amount and then you choose the amount, so tap and then choose how you'd like to present. Now I have to add the recipient, for example and then add their email and then tap done. So now you see that the quantity is 1 voucher for each recipient. Delivery date is 24th of March and then this is the message. And then now you can see email preview. Just tap on see email preview there. So that's to see what that person will receive from you if you're gonna send it through email. And then so this is what it looks like. And then just tap the X there and then if everything is okay, you can you can just tap continue and then are your booking details correct, tap yes, and then now you're on payment confirmation. So just make the payment and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.